Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Glowing with Akansha. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, as you already know that acids are in trend right now, right? Like everybody is talking about chemical peelings, acids and whatnot. So today I'm going to review a face wash which have these acids, and so the product that I'm going to review today is this Globus purifying glycolic and salicylic acid face wash. Okay, so this is the face wash that I'm going to review today, and if you are interested then keep on watching the video. And also, why are you not subscribing? About 98% of you haven't subscribed, so please, if you like my content and my effort, please subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So now, firstly, let's just talk about acids a little bit, okay? So I'm going to give you a summary of what acids are and what are the types and everything. So if you want to skip this part, you can, but I really want if you listen to it. So yeah, let's get started. So like we use acids? We use acids when we are facing problems like acne or uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation, these type of things, and we want a kind of professional help, then we use acids on our face. Okay, so the acids are divided into three types of categories. Okay, let me keep it aside first. Okay, so the acids are divided into three types of categories. First is AHA, BHA and PHA. Okay, AHA is alpha hydroxy acid, BHA is beta hydroxy acid, and PHA is polyhydroxy acid. So what is AHA? AHA is kind of acid which includes glycolic acid and lactic acid. Now what does it do? AHA usually works on the outer surface of your skin. Okay, it works on the outer layer, thus it is very good if you are suffering from like pigmentation or uneven skin tone or uneven texture. Then AHA is best for you. And coming to glycolic acid and lactic acid, which is the famous AHAs. Glycolic acid is a little bit of troublemaker, but lactic acid is really mild on the skin. Okay, so this was about AHA. Now the second part is BHA. BHA is beta hydroxy acid, which is one step ahead of AHA. Okay, so the most famous acid in this category is salicylic acid. If you are suffering from any sort of acne, pimple, melia, blackheads, whiteheads, all these problems, then the only solution to all these problems is salicylic acid. You must have seen when you go to the doctor for especially for your acne treatments, they always give you face washes that is infused with salicylic acid, because salicylic acid is great for treating acne and all of those things. So it is something which works from the deeper layer of your skin, and thus it is very effective in reducing it helps in removing the dead skin cells that is trapped inside the skin, and thus it makes your pores clear. It really soothes your skin, reduces the redness and all those things. So do try it. Now the third category is PHA. What is PHA? Is polyhydroxy acid. Now I would call a PHA an underdog. Why? Because it is a category which doesn't get the praise that it should get. Polyhydroxy acid is very similar to AHA. Okay, the only difference is that is in their molecular structure. PHA is little larger in size than the AHAs. Okay, so it also works on the outer layer of the skin. If you are suffering from dry skin, flaky skin, or all those type of skin problems, then you should start using PHAs in your skincare regime. Galactose and lactobionic are some of the examples of PHAs. So if you have used AHAs and BHAs earlier and it didn't suit you, then you should probably go for PHA. It's very good if you are dealing with eczema. It is really helpful in that as well. So these are the three categories of acids that we use, and let me tell you, we all use acids daily. Okay, we have these acids in our products, but the thing is only that half of us know that the product has these acids and half of us don't know about it. So that's the only difference. So yeah, that was about acids, and now let's just jump to the product. So coming to the product, this is the Globus Purifying Glycolic and Salicylic Acid Face Wash. Okay, what it claims is that it is for skin rejuvenating and lightening, for acne scarring and hyperpigmentation. It reduces wrinkles. It is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E. and it is meant for all skin types. Okay, so you get 100 ml of the product for like 145 rupees, but I got it for like 112 rupees on discount, so which was quite affordable. And you get 100 ml of the product, so it is quite affordable. And looking at the ingredients, it has like 2% of glycolic acid, 1% of salicylic acid, 5% of aloe vera extract, and 0.5% of vitamin E extract. Okay, so look, the ingredients are pretty much good, and the amount of and the percentage of acids in this face wash is very mild, so it will not irritate your skin, and it is very good if you are a beginner in the world of acids and chemicals and whatnot. So if you are a beginner, this is a great face wash. As you are like you all, I was also afraid of using this product right here, not just this product or using any sort of acids in my skincare regime. I was also afraid, but then I thought, okay, let's give it a try. I know everything about it. And one thing that you must make sure when you use all these type of things in your skincare regime, even when you use these and when you don't use these type of products, make sure you wear a sunscreen. Okay, because glycolic acid is something which makes your skin really sensitive. Okay, so your skin will become sensitive, and if you don't wear sunscreen, more damage will be done to your skin. Your skin is more prone to damage and pigmentation. When you use any particular product, any product whatsoever, you use it for making your skin better. But when you don't use a sunscreen, what it does is you at one point you are trying to make your skin better, but on the contrary, you are also making your skin really prone to damage and pigmentation. Because this is the thing, we always work on our skin when we have got certain problems, but we don't try to work on the source of those problems. Okay, so wear a sunscreen. Do not forget to wear sunscreen. It is very important. Okay, so this was about the product, and now let's see how to use it.
Take a pea-sized amount of the face wash and then wash your face with it. Make sure you wash your face for at least 60 seconds, not less than that, because this face wash has actives in it, and in order to make the actives work on your face, you need to wash your face for at least 60 seconds, not less than that. And yeah, just wash it properly and then rinse it off.
So coming to my experience with the product, I was using this face wash just once a day, though it is written on the product that you should use it twice a day, but I usually used it once a day because I don't want to rip off the moisture from my skin. Even using it once a day was making my skin kind of dry, like a little bit dry, and I knew if I use it twice a day, it will really strip the moisture from my skin, so I didn't want that. Do whatever suits you, as skincare is subjective, so whatever suits you, do that. And coming to what I noticed in my skin was, it really helps in controlling your acne breakouts. Okay, it really controls that. It does it does brighten up your skin. Brighten up in a sense that when you wash your face with this product, it literally feels squeaky clean. Okay, your face, it deep cleanses your pores, it deep cleanses your skin, and when your skin is deeply cleansed, you will automatically feel that your skin is more refreshed, hydrated, and more brighter. So yeah, that's the thing, it does make that. Also, as the product says that it also helps in reducing the acne scars and hyperpigmentation. I haven't seen any difference in those things, but I definitely know if I use it for a longer period of time, I will definitely see a difference. So yeah. And don't expect a miracle from this product, because it is a wash of treatment. Okay, it is a face wash. You hardly keep this product for a minute on your face and then you wash it off, and I am using it just once a day. So if you want to see great results from this product, you need to use it for at least 6 months straight to see great results. So that is very important. And coming to its cons, what is the thing that I didn't like about the product? There are just two things. Firstly, it does smell horrible. Okay, it's literally smells like detergent powder. When I was going to buy it, I was reading all the reviews. The people were saying that it smells like detergent. I was like, no, they are exaggerating it, but hell no, it does smell like detergent powder. So the smell is real, the fragrance is really bad. And once you get to, you know, once you are used to the fragrance, it will not bother you, but it does feel like detergent powder. So make sure, like, make your mind accordingly. And the second thing is that, as you can see, it has small beads into it. These are plastic beads, okay, which are really bad. I don't know why it has these beads in it, because they are of no use. They are of no use for the skin. They are extremely bad for the environment, and if it get into your eyes, it will hurt your eyes, or it will irritate your eyes whatsoever. So I don't see any point of, you know, any point putting these beads into the face wash. It is really a good formula, it is a great face wash, but these beads, they are of no use. So that's the con also. These are the two cons that I felt. Otherwise, it is a great product. You should definitely try it. If you want to see major results, use it for a longer period of time, and you will definitely, you know, see your skin becoming better. And also, don't forget to use a sunscreen, because prevention is way better than cure. And yeah, overall, it's a great product. I liked it. I am going to use it even more. I will use it for like 6 months at least to see the results. And yeah, pretty much it. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.